continue. Part number 2. Shopping for Shabbos. When shopping for when shopping or preparing for Shabbos, it is preferable to state that this is being done in honor of Shabbos. So whatever you buy, now we're going to talk about food, but basically even clothes, but whatever you buy new outfit, new whatever. So you said this is for Shabbos, and it's proper to wear this thing, whatever you bought. I mean, if it's like dressy, so you have to wear it for Shabbos. So it's like you show down, even though the next day you're going to wear it, like the night after Shabbos you're going to wear it for a weekday. Still, it's a proper to honor Shabbos with some new things if you have, if you need to, basically. Okay, continue. And you always say Lekovat Shabbos. The Poskim mentioned that if it is better to buy items required for Shabbos on Friday rather than on Thursday. When a person buys something on Friday, it is more apparent that the item is being purchased in honor of Shabbos. So, I mean, I would say it would apply to the olden days, not today. I mean, if you go to the Jewish supermarket in the morning, the whole day, it's crazy. You would spend many hours, waste many hours in line. You understand? And stuff is not there. And so, I mean, that's not a good idea unless you open on Friday, and that's what you can do. Okay, right? However, this applies only on to food. So I mean, the supermarket by me, they work till 11 till midnight on Thursday. On Thursday, they midnight. Some of them till 1 a.m. So basically, it's a Jewish schedule. On Friday, I mean, it's always a short day, but on Thursday, when most of the people shop, they open very late. So continue. However, yeah, go ahead.
So I'm not clear. So it's the preparation for Shabbos. It would be on Sunday or Friday. What is better?
No, Friday. So when he said the Rabbi said, if you do it on Friday, it's apparent that you do it for Shabbos. So if it's on Sunday, maybe it's for Sunday, maybe it's for Tuesday. Who knows? You understand?
Yes, but so I hear many times.
The closer it's to the day, the more apparent that you're doing for that day specifically.
So it's not better to prepare for Shabbos directly on Sunday?
It is. I mean, it's not apparent. But if you say, actually, we're going to speak about it. So if you say like out loud, right? You say, I buy this piece of cheese in honor of Shabbos, right? I buy this coffee. I want to drink this coffee on Shabbos. So that's a preparation for Shabbos. Yes. So as I said, like few times in our life, because of some circumstances, we had to go shopping Thursday night. It was a nightmare. So everybody's there, and many women, they would bring their kids because who their kids are going to stay with at home. You understand? So it's so many people. It's crazy. So of course it's better to go another day. Absolutely. And plus some people are working on Friday, right? You have to also remember people working half a day. Like I used to work on Fridays. Okay. So continue. Friday more parent. Okay. However, this applies only to food items that do not require a lot of preparation. For example, drinks. Food items that require extensive preparation, such as meat, fish, chicken, may be brought on Thursday or even before Thursday if necessary. I mean, so okay. But as I said, you have to be practical, right? If you live in a neighborhood when if you go there on Thursday night and they're not going to be like it's going to be usual lines, yeah, go there. But where we shop, it's not. It's crazy. It's crazy there. Like a lot of people. Baruch HaShem. Continue. We mentioned above that the preparation for Shabbos should not be done before davening. So it's very important. So first you pray to HaShem you thank him, you do whatever you need, then you take care of your business. Personal affairs, and this applies to buying food items for Shabbos as well. So of course, Shabbos is very important, but first you have to daven. So go to earlier minyan. That's it. However, if one is afraid that the item will not be available before he davens, he may purchase it before davening. After he davens, he may purchase it before davening, provided he will still have time to daven before the time of tefillah concludes. So they say, I don't know what, in all the days they would have a markets, right? So these people from the villages would come, they bring their produce, they sell the produce and they leave. Basically, they would take as much as they can sell, right? So, or in this case, I'm not sure, like maybe some farmer's market or whatever is it. So if you're going to pray and they're going to close the market, or they're going to sell out whatever you need, so you're allowed to go right before the prayers. Only they say only if you will be able to finish your prayers on time. So what does it mean? So we should remember that we have the latest time for Shema, right? And we have the latest time for praying in general. So if for example, a person missed this latest time for Shema, where we live, it's I don't know, like 9:38, something like that. So if person did not complete the Shema with its blessing until 9:38, so he missed the mitzvah. He still has to do it, but the mitzvah is no longer there. But he still must pray Shacharis until there is a latest time for Shacharis, as it says we use Mizmanim. There is Mizmanim.com. That's a good source to know where's the latest time or where's the earliest time for praying. Okay. Just one second. We say that. Okay. In addition, one should recite Birchas HaTorah, right? The blessing of the Torah study, and Shema before purchasing the item. So that's very important. For women, it would be sufficient to recite Birchas HaShachar before beginning Shabbos preparation. So for women, since the women exempt from all of the mitzvot that are connected to time. So basically, a woman must pray, but right, she might pick the time when she's going to pray. So if she wants to pray in the morning, so she can pray Shacharis. If the time for Shacharis passed, so she cannot pray the Shacharis, right? So she must. If time for Mincha arrives, so she would pray Mincha, right? It's up to her. So, but everything must be in the proper time. Okay. Continue. So at least, as it says here, at least she should say the morning blessing.